Tom was an ordinary boy who lived in a small village. He loved exploring the fields and forests near his home. One sunny morning, while walking through the woods, Tom saw something shiny under a pile of leaves. Curious, he picked it up and found an old, rusty key. Tom wondered what the key might open. He decided to look around the forest to find something unusual. After walking for an hour, he stumbled upon a wooden chest hidden behind a large tree. The chest was locked, and the key fit perfectly. With excitement, Tom opened the chest and found it full of old coins, maps, and letters. The letters told stories of a treasure hidden long ago by an adventurer. Tom couldn't believe his luck. He showed the chest to his parents, who helped him contact a local historian. The historian explained that the chest belonged to an explorer from their village and would now be preserved in the local museum. Tom felt proud that his discovery would be shared with everyone. From that day, Tom became even more curious about history and often visited the museum to learn about the past. His small adventure turned into an exciting story for the whole village. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What did Tom find under the leaves? A. A coin, B. A map, C. A rusty key, D. A letter. Answer: C. A rusty key. Question 2. Where did Tom find the chest? A. In his house, B. Behind a tree, C. Near a river, D. Under a rock. Answer: B. Behind a tree. Question 3. What was inside the chest? A. Toys and books, B. Coins, maps, and letters, C. Gold bars, D. Jewelry. Answer: B. Coins, maps, and letters. Question 4. Who helped Tom understand the chest's history? A. His friends, B. His teacher, C. A historian, D. A shopkeeper. Answer: C. A historian. Question 5. How did Tom's discovery change him? A. He became rich, B. He got curious about history, C. He moved to a city, D. He became a writer. Answer: B. He got curious about history.